he's doing a new run, and he's going to do different than New York Central. He's going to do the other New York Central,
like Pittsburgh and Lake Erie, and the couple other subsidiaries.
Yeah. No, they're RMT. No, that's it. Those are the only RMT PS1s out.
This is
yeah.
Keep this to yourself, but this is what's coming up from RMT.
You taking a selfie in your crunch?
You gotta see what's
What are you doing? I know. I'm busted. I caught ya.
That was.
I was thinking Michael.
Michael.
Mike.
Yeah, Mike was there too.
Yeah.
Mike doesn't drink that much.
Oh, yeah, Matt. Yeah, right. Because he had to come down for the show.
Coming out with color cars next.
Morris County Erie.
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice one.
He's got, I mean, he looked like he's
So, he who? Walter, or is that a patent?
No, that's Walter.
That's Walter.
Yeah, after Allentown with those guys.
I thought he came to you.
He came to Mass last Saturday.
Oh, wow. He's got all the samples. Wow, cool.
Those kids are insane.
That.
I don't know if he stole them from Hannah or they probably like that. Yeah, like everything's all the.
Go back. I like the KCS one.
Yeah.
The black KCS right there.
Yeah.
That's neat. That looks good. So those are going to be a PS2, okay.
Yep.
Yeah. One, Jersey Central, Peter Marquette, Labelle. And over there, RJ Coleman, Peabody, hold on a minute. Peabody, CPL, White Valley. What's the red one? Oh, is that Morris County Neary down there?
No, so he went over here.
And then those are the toll hoppers. I like the browns.
I would have to look back in that catalog.
All right, is this from down in Wildwood? That one?
Yes, Holly Beach Hobby.
I need that car. That looks really nice.
And I'm thinking, you want to run it with? The Rheingold one? I don't know if you remember the Rheingold. It might have been before your time.
It was
Mets.
a little, the Mets.
But at the beginning. But yet you still haven't built it out. So when your Middletown and New Jersey boxcar shows up next week, it's just going to go in its box.
It's going to go on a pile. On top of the pile. On top of the pile.
You want some smoke fluid for that?
I was going to turn it on.
I like that one the most. I think, does the signal indicators light up? There's like a signal board in there.
Can't see. There's somebody big in my way. Don't body shaming.
I thought there was like a block
There
signal
is.
board in there, right?
But I don't see. It's a table.
So if I went into my app, could I hack it? I believe so.
Probably.
Oh! Let me have another beer.
Speed step 30.
Speed step 30.
Oh, did he really?
Oh, he get pissed. Oh, I've never seen Mike so pissed off. Why is this brand new engine? And he's sitting there running it and turning it off and everything.
And Bob's sitting on the side laughing.
Oh, he's so pissed. That's why I turned the Bluetooth off and I'm with engines.
Well, now what's interesting, right? It's Bluetooth or 4-digit addressing.
Yes.
So when you turn 4-digit addressing, you're turning off the Bluetooth.
Really?
Woodland did that for 1999. And last year they did the Vanderbilt before they discontinued and then they did. That's when they did the pre-war red, blue, and then they did a glossy black. That's
And a weather.
Well, you know the story about the weather one, right?
Yeah.
So Lionel did the weather one. When they introduced the Vanderbilt in '96, they showed it in the catalog and it looked like the gray that it was supposed to be. People were thinking of the Vanderbilt, all the distilled weather the way they did. Because that was a way to save the tooling. And then people were still were even more annoyed. It's like, now you just made it look like. And then that's why they did it for the third year in '99, and then they did the correct gray that it should have been, plus all the other ones, the Hunter, at that time. It was late 90s. It was the 50th anniversary. Yeah, it was their 90th anniversary or something. That's why they did all the other pre-war style ones. Yeah, that's the reason why that one exists, why the leather one exists, because they were trying to screw up. When it ended up being worse. Content creators. This is why we're all going to be hunched over in like 50 years.
It's
I'm already there. So I don't know if you noticed, but other people.
Brought the cookies. Yeah, no problem.
I was getting one of the HO. I was filming some HO, so I got on the yellow. And this one guy was super nice because he had all the way. I guess, and I do. Oh, yeah. And the guy on his group actually opened one of the comic cards and showed me cards.
Yeah, I would imagine, right? They would do that.
It's funny because the original 90s run, they did that too. They did the scale wheel packages. Yeah, they came with the scale wheels. That's why some people were asking about that when they announced these initially. Like, oh, are you going to do that again? Trains. There you go. You can get your discount and really dirt cheap. What have you done?
And that we'll do that. We'll do over 36.
This is 36.
Good thing I don't run Pepsi. I only have one. Oh no, I got two.
Yeah, you got some.
He's got the diesel.
Yeah, I got two diesels. That's it. I have thought about the K4 eventually.
Williams did do 4800 Conrail. They did do the Conrail stuff.
But that is interesting the way the bell swings as it moves.
Yeah.
I love that.
That is fun.
Yeah, I'm glad.
I like the bell sound they put in this actually. They don't use that sound.
Basically, what I do is like the same size as this They sent me an email. They're like, just so you know, this came in and Lionel's like, so it's going to be tariff. It's going to be this price.
MSRP, I think
So if you
17.
don't want it right now,
I was
send it. I was like, maybe. I was like, I'm in. I bought that roping one years ago. I loved that. And I told Matt, he had the TMCC one, and I was like, I'm on the fence because it's a Cornwall rotor with TMCC. And I was like, on the fence. And I'm like, I'm just going to wait. And then it came out with it. I was like, I have to get it.
I am surprised.
And then closing time. I said closing time. They go, well, really closing time.
I like
My friends would stay till like 2 o'clock in the morning about it. I'm like, so it goes from this to bright white instantly, and they run.
And then it's great for doing the scenes, right?
Yes.
So you could be like, all right, let's do Honolulu.
Exactly.
Let's see, Ruby.
Oh, these do it too.
Yeah, all those are.
Wow. Oh, see, I got the hi-hats at home. I haven't
Did
done
all
this
of
yet.
these.
cool.
Yeah. No, I did a drop sound specifically so I could eventually add in.
And then you can go like super bright.
Nice. Oh, that's cool.
And that's what I guess I can link them all up. But these right now are all these ones. 4x8. So you can see the 4x8 ends about here, and it was fine. But this part has a little bit of a shadow. This one. This track line and stuff. Home Depot and Lowe's and you buy the track, you buy the heads, you plug it in.
Yep. That's what I did.
And it just plugged in both spots, and I 3D printed that smokestack to hide the wire.
That's so smart.
That's awesome. Yeah, because I got the drops in it. Stick them together. Like,
Yeah.
I'll put the shotgun.
Well, I have thought about doing, like they make those low profile. So this is my air conditioning duct right here.
Right.
So that's why this does this, obviously. So I've thought about buying those low profile lights that you can put in, but I gotta get like a junction box in there. Really?
I
The smoking itself?
I have 2 hours RS1s and the rest are stars.
Alright, so there's the combo kitchen diner card matchup.
The only thing is it doesn't have LEDs. You get the LED strip. It's got to be less than that.
But these are all, I didn't do anything with these. These are all.
You didn't do those yourself?
No, in fact, I have all the old boards from the last bed done. 3D printed wood. You need 18 or something. 18 or 6 in a couple of I got
Looks like how many for you?
8. The end caps in the shelf. 8. And they're
No, they look good.
Yeah,
They
the
look
only thing
really
is,
nice.
so I'm not gonna actually do any more than that because if you notice on my shelves like these and those, I overhang the sides
Yeah.
and the end cap would block it. So what I actually printed,
You don't know how many times I've stuck myself
on these,
walking
I
in
have
between
these.
there.
Oh, God.
on these little ones up here, I printed little rail stops.
Right.
They
Oh, the
just
little
snap to
chunks.
the ends of the rail and then
Yeah,
you stop because this way I could overhang.
Cool.
And actually on the back side of this wall, there's all 6-foot shelves.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on DAGryffyn Hobby.